Welcome to Geo Tekniks. It's an ISO certified company. Geo Tekniks established in 2021, an MEP retrofitting work and steel structures fabrication company. Geo Tekniks aspires to provide comprehensive solutions at world-class standards and affordable rates to our clients across Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. Our mission: to ensure our clients' prosperity by providing timely, cost-effective solutions. Our vision: to be recognized by the world-class standards in the products and services we offer. Our goals: to achieve financial success for our stakeholders and be responsible citizens. What we do: MS structure fabrication, MS duct fabrication, prefab supports for ducts/pipes/cable trays, site office sheds, chiller/cooling tower platforms, shaft/razor covers, Odoo stands and pump inertia blocks, MEP retrofitting projects in HVAC, firefighting, electrical and plumbing revamp projects, AMC services, one-time repair services, painting, MS structure de-rusting and painting, scaffolding, aluminium scaffolding, rental, glazing maintenance, TBM, testing, balancing, measuring, duct pressure testing, air and water balancing, leak and duct cleaning, thermography, eddy current testing, power quality analyzer. MS fabrication work. MS fabrication work. MEP retrofitting. HVAC retrofitting projects. Scaffolding rental. Glass replacing. Project site office shed. Painting, testing, balancing and measuring. Clientele: VK Building Services Private Limited, CTOS Aircon Private Limited, Guild Engineering Private Limited, Binair Engineering Private Limited, Central Electrochemical Research Institute, Brigade Gateway, Orion Mall, Brigade Community Hall, Lead Air Systems Private Limited, OSIM Industrial Solutions, Maruti Aircon Engineers, Road Factory, Dexpertec.